Have you ever wanted to create a cartoon version of yourself for social media, your website, or your business, but didn't know where to start? Today, I'm going to show you a few different ways to make that happen, right here in Canva. We're starting by opening up a Canva workspace, but you can do this in any format like a presentation or video. Out of habit, I opened up a blank video. So the first thing you'll need to do is find your image. For this example, I'm going to grab an image from Photos. I'm going to use an image of a woman. Let's choose her and enlarge her a little. Now we're going to duplicate her. Okay, now I'm going to click on this image and then I'm going to go over here and look for apps. Click on it, and then I'll type in Cartoon. Here are two apps. The second one is new since my last visit. I haven't tried either, so we will try it as well in a minute. For now, we're going to try Cartoonify. But for now, I'll click Open. And then you're going to need to select an image, which we already have. Now, let's Cartoonify it and see what it does. Okay, there it is. If you don't like it, you can try again. You have a limited number of credits to use. So I'll take that because I may need some credits later on. Let's add a new page and let's try another image. Let's try this lady. Duplicate her. And let's go back to apps. And just out of curiosity, let's try this Cartoonist app and see what it does. This is a new one to me also. All right, out of curiosity, let's try it out. So it wants a prompt. Nothing like the other app, but I'll keep my image clicked on. Add a prompt and see what happens. Obviously, that doesn't look anything like our picture. These images that we're starting with don't have much to do with what the final product in the Cartoonist app, so now we know. I have another app I want to try. So let's go back to apps and let's look for Animeify. First of all, we need a photo. Let's try a man this time. What about this guy? All right, so duplicate him and let's go to apps. Click on Animeify. Here are some examples of some things that have been done. Okay, so click on Open. Let's see what we get. There are some similarities. We have a few credits left, so let's see if we can a better image. We'll keep that one for now. Let's duplicate him one more time. Let's see what we get. Okay, it's a little closer. So, you can kind of see how it goes. They got his shirt and his necklace in both. The hairstyle is much better. So, let's try one more app. For the next one, let's try this guy, and we'll duplicate it. So go to Apps and search for CaricatureMaker. So click on that. So it's asking for a text prompt. I wasn't expecting that. So we'll experiment and see what it does. I've never tried this before. Okay, no. That result had nothing to do with my image, except for the red shirt. It doesn't give you any options based on your image, which is what I wanted. So there you go. So now you can see how some of these apps work. Overall, an interesting experiment, I think. To complete a cartoon of myself, I would go with Cartoonify or Animeify. What do you think? But an interesting experiment with mixed results. So y'all get in here, play with these, have some fun, and you may come up with some really interesting images that you can use for your social media platforms, website, work, or whatever project you might need a really cool cartoon image for. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.